Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back. My name is Dolapo and you're watching Dolly B Crafts channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing us how to create a scrunchie headband. You can make a scrunchie headband from any fabric of choice. You can use satin, velvet, African print or any fabric of choice as long as it comes out beautiful. You can as well decide to embellish it to your taste. If you would like to see how I made this headband, please keep watching.
You're a rolling stone, but I'm a cannonball.
To make a scrunchie headband, you will need your fabric, measuring tape, Alice band, a pair of scissors, glue gun and candle gum. Alright, the first thing I did was to cut out the piece of fabric I used, and the measurement is 50 inches length by 8 inches width. 50 inches length by 8 inches width. If you want your own headband to be fuller than mine, please increase the measurement. Now with the right side of the fabric facing up, I'm going to fold it into two like this, and I'm going to sew it from one end to the other end like that by half an inch. I'll sew it from one end to the other by half an inch, which I already did now. Now I'm going to turn the wrong side of the fabric in. I turn the right side of the fabric out. Having done that, I'm going to bring the seam area to the middle of the fabric like this. Okay, here I was just trying to make sure that the other end comes out properly. Now the next step is to insert our Alice band, and I place the fabric with the seam area facing up, and I inserted the headband into the piece of fabric, as you can see, like this. I just inserted the whole Alice band into the fabric. And while I was doing this, I had turned on my glue gun so that it would be ready for use by the time I was done. Now the next step is to seal up the ends and attach the Alice band to the fabric permanently. Okay, and I applied my hot glue right there, front and the back of the Alice band. I just pressed the fabric down to it to glue it down right there, and I folded in the form of a triangle. Can you see? I applied glue right there. Okay, and I folded it in form of a triangle and I glued it to that part of the fabric. I applied glue again. Can you see? And I folded it inwards to cover the rough edges like that. I'm just trying to apply enough glue to seal up that end properly. As you can see, I applied more glue. I was just trying to make sure that the folded part is fixed properly. Okay, and the next thing was to apply glue right there and then fold again in form of a triangle, and I press it down just to seal up that end. I continued to apply glue to make sure it is properly sealed up. I was just trying to make sure that it is properly sealed up using my glue. You need to press it down and make sure it is neatly sealed up, and ensure you don't burn your fingers. If you are watching this channel for the first time, thank you for clicking, thank you for stopping by. On this channel I post tutorials on different kinds of headwear, so please subscribe to my channel to see more of this, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out of any of these tutorials. Now I'm going to quickly finish up that end using the same procedure like I did the other time. I also want to use this opportunity to inform you all that we have online classes on fascinators, hats making, turbans and scaffolators, different kind of headwears, different from what we have on this channel. So you can contact me through the number you're seeing on the screen right now. Now I'm done with the other end and our scrunchie headband is ready. Okay, would you like to try this out? Please let me know in the comment section. Now I was just trying to adjust properly to make sure that the ruffles are evenly distributed, as you can see. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.